for the ways you can make that happen, including options like studying, working, volunteering, getting special visas, etc. Includes a list of pros and cons for each option for all ages, nationalities, and educational levels. Hello and welcome to DIY Immigration, and this is your host Palak Gupta with you. So let's get started. Living abroad is one of the most eye-opening experiences that you can do for yourself. It allows you to be challenged in new settings and work through problems you wouldn't encounter at home, so you can develop and grow as a person. Seriously, if you're given the chance to do it, do it. Any problems you might encounter while abroad are not worse than the regret and forever what if you will have if you don't go for it. For many people though, they wonder how can they possibly live abroad when they don't even have enough money to visit another country. So DIY Immigration have created this video here with a large list of all the options possible and imaginable to give yourself the chance to live in another country and suggest ways of experiencing life overseas for little or no money. Live in another nation on a student visa so that you can work while studying. This is the easiest method of getting the opportunity to live in another country. Many countries enable international students to work lawfully while studying. There are two types of schools in this case: universities and technical institutions. You can learn about any subject you want, including the language of the place you are in. In most circumstances, the student is only able to work part-time around 20 hours per week. In Australia, this is generally more than enough to pay for your studies. For example, tourism at technical school. Live, pay for your school facilities while still having fun. Some countries where it is legal to work while studying are Australia, New Zealand, Canada, Ireland, US, Germany, and many more. During your university holiday breaks, do a job exchange internationally. This is a fantastic program that allows you to work in hotels, ski resorts, and amusement parks while on break from university. The United States is the most common place to work, but other nations such as France and Ireland are also good options. To be eligible, you must be a university student in your home country, have a basic understanding of the language of the nation you will visit, and be willing to work for at least 3 months during your vacation. You must also be between the age of 18 and 25. To be honest, I have never participated in this program, but I have met a lot of people who have participated already. Next is submit an application for a working holiday visa. The working holiday visa is one option that many people appear to be unaware. A working holiday visa is a temporary residence visa that permits tourists to work and pay for the travels in a specified nation. With this visa, you may have the experience of living in a foreign country without having to worry about finding someone to sponsor a work visa or paying for expensive study abroad programs. Though not available to Indians, this program is quite common with Australia, Canadian, and American citizens. Moving on, make an effort to obtain a second citizenship. Okay, I understand for the vast majority of the people on the earth, this is a difficult task. However, it is easier for some people than it is for you. And many individuals aren't even aware that this is a possibility. For example, one person traveled on Brazilian passport for years before realizing he could apply for Portuguese citizenship. That in course made traveling much more comfortable. Now there are 3 ways to get another citizenships. First one is through your family. The next is through a residence permit, and then citizenship by length of your residency, and through marriage by investing a large sum of money, or look for a job. Now look for a job that will sponsor your work visa application. In general, finding a job abroad is not impossible. It won't be easy, but it won't be impossible. There are 2 ways for that. The company that you work at in your home country sends you to work in one of their foreign branches, or you find a job abroad independently. Now, look for under-the-table jobs. Although I have met several people who have found work illegally on a tourist visa and had no problems, I neither promote nor discourage it. It is nevertheless critical to understand the ramifications of being caught. You could be imprisoned, unlikely but conceivable, fined, deported, or not permitted to return to the nation where the offense occurred. So, not a recommended option, even if you hear it a lot about. Moving ahead, immigration of skilled and qualified workers. In some nations, there is a shortage of specialists in certain professions. Thus, the government has created certain programs to bring in skilled and qualified immigrants. If you are expected into this program, you will be able to obtain a resident visa and live and work lawfully. The plan is for you to stay for a long time and contribute to the country. Volunteer for the United Nations or the European Union with a fee. There are two new choices that I hadn't looked into before and find it to be quite intriguing. Now, how to volunteer for United Nations? How to volunteer for European Union? Get a free accommodation while traveling. As a result, it is possible that you won't be able to obtain work in any other country. Perhaps you won't be able to locate a job in exchange for housing and food. Fortunately, finding free places to sleep throughout the world is not a difficult task. There are numbers of websites where you may locate folks that are prepared to put people up for free merely to help or meet new people. Now that's all for today. This is Palak Gupta signing off, and I would like to take a leave, and I hope this video was helpful for you, and we'll be back with another video. So till then, stay safe, stay connected, and do share, like, comment our video. Also, tell us in the comment section which video you want to know in our channel. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.